Hey guys, HomieGDog456 here. Today I got a tutorial for you guys, and this is today it's how to install RAM into your desktop computer. Now the RAM I'll be using for this demonstration, DDR2, just some standard cheap RAM. It's a pretty old computer. I'm still waiting for parts for my new build that I will be doing. It should be in the next couple of weeks. You'll see some videos on that. On the new motherboard, I'm ordering a new processor. I did get a new graphics card. Won't need that. Got a new case. I just need a motherboard, processor, and new RAM. So you'll see videos of that in the upcoming weeks. But for today, the tutorial, it's the simplest thing you can do. Installing RAM into a computer is so simple, even easier than installing a graphics card. Now for this video I took out the RAM just so you could see the way it goes in, because taking it out is very simple. Now to put the RAM in, you just need to position it into the slot. You need to make sure this the right way. There's a little notch in the middle and there's a notch in the slot. You position it, and if it's not sliding in right, don't push it, because you probably have it the wrong way. There. It'll go in like that, and for me, since I have such an old motherboard, I actually need to give an extra push and pop the edges up. Most motherboards will do that automatically for you. The next piece, same thing. Pop the edges back. Position it properly. Remember, don't push if it's not going. Be careful of the motherboard, unlike me here. Make sure it's the right way. Okay. There we go. Now it's in. Now again, for mine, I need to click up the edges. But there you go. There you have it. It's installed. And for new RAM, your system will recognize it right away. You won't need to do any new drivers or installation. It should recognize it right away. I'll just do a quick overview so you can see this here. It's my new case. You can see it was a pretty good case. It's thermal take. It's the Snow Edition mid-tower case. Came with a fan, LED fan there. Anyways, I won't get off topic. There you go, guys. That is a tutorial on how to install RAM into your desktop computer. Thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe.